Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have something we haven't done before, but we're going to give it a shot. Let me know if this is helpful. We're going to go over literally all the best deals going on at Harbor Freight. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And let's jump right in. I appreciate all the HARBROs. Double check to make sure you're subscribed. Some people say that they subscribe after thinking they've been subscribed. Let's go in. First, save big. They fixed it. I should be an editor, and there's a couple editor bros out there. They had save up to 50% off on select storage, and now they've updated their flyer. I don't know if I doubt they saw my video, but anyways, maybe they got a complaint. Now it says save up to $50, which is what we said. Anyways, that's been updated, but the items on there are not updated. But just a public service announcement. Next, free gift weekend, and we're gonna go through the best deals right now across all the coupons, ITC super coupons, instant savings, dollar days, minimum 30% and above. Maybe one will sneak in that's 28%. But crazily enough, about half of the list would be a great get for your free gift. Some of them are ITC for this weekend coming up, January 9th through the 11th. And here we go. 99 cents. This is instant savings. We've seen this before for a while now, but 99 cents, 37% off for the KN95 mask 2-pack. Start off with a 99 center. Then we have Western Safety, $1 glasses. It wasn't too long ago that we did the dollar deal, so $1, 49% off for some safety glasses. The mini pick hook set. This one was super popular when we did the dollar days. $1 that these have come in super clutch, 49% off. A must get. Might as well pick these up, no pun intended. Pick them up and pick your free gift. Pick. Dollar days. There's a couple deals on super glue. $1 for a 3-pack. $1 for a 3-pack, 49% off. Great, but there's an ITC deal going on, which we'll get to here soon enough. Pittsburgh Micro Spring Clamp Set 6-piece for $1, 49% off. Excellent. These 3 to 2 prong grounding adapters, 2-pack, not Shakur for $1, 49% off. Pittsburgh 6.5 inch. It's a good size. Coping saw blades, 4-piece for $1.29, 35% off. The Merlin Pocket Blowgun with industrial coupler for $1.69, 43% off. This is like a whole new dollar days for me. Aladdin, a whole new world. Inside Track HFT high strength super glue 10-pack for $2. So essentially you're getting 5 for $1, which technically beats that dollar deal, 3 for $1. Here you're getting 10 for $2, 60% off compared to Gorilla. More safety glasses, $1.99, 33% off, normally $3. Pittsburgh super coupon 25 foot by 1 inch. Tape measure for $2, 60% off. You could spend like $10 on these first 10 items. You're coming out like a madman. Thunderbolt Magnum lithium button cell batteries 4-pack for $2, 50% off. Now this is the kind of deal you'll see on parking lot sales. These were 50% off recently, so 50% off match for an instant savings is absolutely great. This is still going on through the 15th. More instant savings, a Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bin for $2, 33% off. Pittsburgh's 4-inch magnetic parts holder. Did I not sort this? Oh yeah, $2, 33% off. $2 for the 4-inch magnetic parts holder, 33% off. Now this one tends to be a free gift, so just a FYI, $2 is infinity percent higher than free, but still a good deal. Storehouse 12-inch silicone ties, 2-pack for $2, 33% off. Chicago Electric Welding, 24-inch 2-in-1 magnetic pickup tool for $249, 58% off compared to HyperTough. See, this is why I'm saying we're through like 10, 15 deals, and we're barely at $2.69. So this is like a Harbor Freight super dollar days. Chicago Electric 6.25-inch multi-purpose magnet holder for $269, normally $449, 40% off. And these are the ones they were teasing in the Christmas sale to be going on during the 10 days of deals or the 12 days of Christmas. Didn't happen, but here they are, 40% off after Christmas sale. With a Hallmaster assorted length elastic cord 6-piece for $279, $4, 30% off. And this is okay. These were recently 50% off. So again, just FYI. Chicago Electric 30-watt lightweight soldering iron for $3, $299, 50% off. Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper with cutter for $2.99, 50% off as well. Warrior wire wheel cup brush set 6-piece for $2.99, 50% off. Storehouse L-shape hang-all 2-pack for $3, 39% off. We're barely breaking this, not even breaking $4 yet. Hallmaster camo diamond braid rope, 3/8 of an inch, 75 feet, 300-pound capacity for $3.99. $6 normally, which is a good price, but $4, 33% off is absolutely better. Not for climbing. I repeat, not for climbing. And then we have a Gordon Alert utility blades with dispenser, a 50-pack for $4, $3.99. Normally $5.99, 33% off. And the Centec 12-volt alternator battery checker for $4, 42% off. Normally $7 compared to Cartman from South Park. Pittsburgh wood chisel set with PVC handles, 3-piece for $4.89, 30% off. Normally $7. Hardy insulated knit work gloves for $4.99. Normally $8, 37% off. These were also 50% off recently, so 37% off, still good though. With a Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive SAE and metric spark plug socket set, 5-piece for $4.99, 50% off, lifetime warranty. Great deal, ITC. These have been sold out, unfortunately, from a lot of the HARBRO feedback, and they're instant savings, so they've been able to stack with a lot of the deals, but again, unfortunately, they've been sold out, so hopefully that's not the case in your area. But still going on through the 15th, the $4.99 for the US General 25-pound magnet hook, 37% off. Excellent deal. And then Braun Alert. This is getting killer. Braun 200 lumen LED pen light for $4.99. HARBRO approved, 37% off. Gets really close to the best deals for Braun. Next, the Warrior T-Shank General Purpose Jigsaw Blade Set, 15-piece for $4.99. 37% off. Now I know the Warrior, I see us go back and forth in the comments, yay or nay. Yeah, $4.99 though. I don't know. 37% off. I love the deal. Haven't tried the jigsaw blades. HARBROs, let me know. Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set, 5-piece from our dollar days for $5, 44% off. These are invaluable. If you're like me and you've tried unclipping and taking off your trim and molding without anything, you break everything. So don't break everything. Get a tool set for $5, 44% off. $5 wheel chocks from Hallmaster, 33% off. Perfect time to pick some up, working in your garage, slight incline. Make sure, either way, make sure you have your wheel chocks. Make sure you have your wheels chalked. A Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive hex socket set, 6-piece for $5, 44% off. Choice of SAE or metric. And this is also HARBRO approved. Excellent in the comments. The Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump for $5, 37% off. Like little tools like this that are going to come in handy at one point. And for $5, normally $8. Tough to beat. Pittsburgh's 24-inch I-beam level for $5.49, normally $8, 31% off. After Christmas sale, another nylon pry bar installer kit from Pittsburgh, 4-piece, normally $8.49, 35% off. Hallmaster's D-ring straps, HARBRO favorite just in general, 3,333 pound capacity from Hallmaster, 40% off at $5.99. Smart straps. Pittsburgh 11-inch swivel pad, C-clamp locking pliers for $5.99, 33% off. Voyager's 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $6.99, almost nice, 30% off. Bauer's 9-inch hook and loop drywall sanding disc, 5-pack for $6.99, 41% off. And Pittsburgh Pro Alert after Christmas sale, $6.99, 36% off SAE or metric. Hallmaster's 10-inch pneumatic tire with steel hub for $6.99, 30% off. And another Braun Alert. This time it's the 800 lumen tactical LED flashlight, 42% off. That's better than the best deals that they've had on Braun. Must get HARBRO. So let me know. I'm pretty sure this has to be a HARBRO favorite for sure. Hercules Alert, 4.5 by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch Type 0141 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $8, 38% off. More Hallmaster, 833-pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot ratcheting tie down for $9, 35% off. 300-pound air wedge and leveling tool for $9.99, 41% off. Warrior's 3/4 inch to 5-inch carbon steel hole saw set, 18-piece, $9.99, 33% off. Pittsburgh 20-inch 4-way lug wrench for $9.99, 37% off. More Pittsburgh the 3/8 inch drive teardrop composite ratchet for $9.99, 33% off. Save $5. Who has this? I mean, for getting things done, like this is amazing. Lifetime warranty. More instant savings, the Armstrong 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV mount for $10, 33% off. And we're still sub $10. Warrior 1.1 amp corner detail sander for $10 and only $20 compared to Black & Decker, 50% off. ITC US General magnetic glove tissue dispenser for $10, 33% off. Again, this is as close as the best deals for these magnetic accessories get. Pittsburgh snap ring pliers with interchangeable heads for $3, 40% off. Well, this $3 got misplaced. It should have been earlier, but $3 ITC. Butane micro torch for $9.99, 33% off. Any of the HARBROs have this? I feel like there was one of the HARBROs was commenting that there was some issues, but let us know again. Let us know again. Yukon 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer for $9.99, 33% off. Now we're jumping up. Hopefully I have these all in order. Centec 9-function digital multimeter with audible continuity for $17, 32% off. More instant savings, the Jupiter 120-watt continuous 240-watt peak modified sine wave power inverter for $17, 32% off. And then with the Bauer 2.2 amp orbital 1/4-inch sheet sander for $17, 32% off. Bauer 6 amp 3-inch high-speed electric cutoff tool for $20, 42% off. Cutting discs sold separately. And then the Bauer, again, 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander for $20, 50% off. This was also a HARBRO favorite. A lot of positive HARBRO comments. And then the US General 4-tier shelf, 23-inch by 12-inch by 52-inch for $20, 33% off. More Bauer, the 6.6 amp variable speed precision crafting rotary toolkit, 36-piece, $20, 50% off compared to Dremel. Crazy deal. Who has this one? This is this steal of a deal. And the Drill Master, remember the name, 2.4 amp trim router, $20, 33% off. The Armstrong 23-inch to 65-inch single stud motion, full motion TV mount, $20, 42% off. ITC Viking 20-foot 4-gauge heavy duty jumper cables, $20, 33% off. More ITC Pittsburgh's 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket set, 13-piece for $20, 37% off. Your choice of SAE or metric, lifetime warranty. How do you beat that? Then these we're familiar with, Icon's 1/4-inch drive professional low profile ratchet with comfort grip, $23, 30% off. US General's 5-outlet magnetic power strip, 2 USB ports for $24. This is one of those honorable mentions. It's at 29% off. Then this was stackable before too. Quinn 3/4-inch drive impact socket adapter extension set, 5-piece, $25. It's 37% off right now. Quinn alert, crazy. Then more Icon alert, 3/8-inch drive professional low profile ratchet for $30, 30% off. And we have Hercules alert, the 1/8-inch to 3/4-inch cobalt step drill bit, 1, 2, 3, $30, 30% off. More Icon, the 3/8-inch drive professional low profile ratchet with comfort grip is $30, 30% off. Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley. Jack, anything from the trolley, $35. This one has been hit or miss. I think hit or miss. There's some HARBROs that were good with it. There were some HARBROs that were not. But this is 30% off. Then ITC Merlin 3/8-inch 100-foot rubber air hose, 1/4-inch MPT fittings, 30% off. More Icon, the 1/2-inch drive professional long reach flex head. Ratchet, again, this was honorable mention, $48, 29% off though. It was close enough compared to Snap-on. And then this one, I don't think we did the part 2 of the super coupons, but this is a great deal. The Hercules 20-volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery, $50, 33% off. 33% off is nuts. And then the McGraw 3-gallon light duty hot dog air compressor, $49.99, 28% off. Also honorable mention. Pittsburgh's radiator pressure tester kit for $60, $40 off. That's 40% off. Which one of the HARBROs has this? What a crazy deal. 40% off radiator pressure tester kit. Let us know if it's any good. Hallmaster Grade 70 trucker's chain, half inch, 20 foot, $35 off. I think this met the 30% just, yeah, I think it's just over 30% off. 35, 70, 105. Well, this might have snuck in, but honorable mention, $35 off. And Hallmaster again, inside track club, 1,000 pound capacity, 9 inch by 72 inch trifold loading ramp, set of two, $90. We should have done the math on the last one, but this is $45 off of 135, 33% off, basically 34% off on some Hallmaster loading ramps. That's honestly, that's probably as good as it gets. Then we have Holt Deluxe Manual Fluid Extractor and dispenser, $90, $50 off. Who's using this for extracting some fluids? $50 off of 140. We're at 36% off. Nuts. And then last but not least, the Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile floor jack with rapid pump with the little foot step thing. $80 off of off of 270. Honorable mention, it rounds up to 30% off. So great deal. Great deal. And those are literally the best deals going on, literally going on at Harbor Freight. And I'll leave it at that. That was long-winded, but let me know if you think this is helpful or useful. I feel like it is because we go through so many deals. It's a lot. It's very easy for them to get lost in the minutia. So hopefully this is helpful. Either way, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your